Hi, welcome to this video on how to create a collection for your Lightroom photos. I've got 150 photos in my catalog, and at the moment my collections are just the Smart Collection, which is default. I'm going to delete the Smart Collection just by pressing that negative, and now I don't have any collections, so I'm going to press the plus and create a collection. First one I'm going to do is travel, create. The next one maybe will be landscape, sports, and you can see that this one photo has been added. That's just because it was selected when I first started here. To get rid of it, you just have to click on it when you're in the collection and press the delete button. Now, to add photos to different collections, there's a few different ways you can do it. Some are easier and faster. One way might be better than the other for yourself. Under your catalog, there's a quick collection with the little plus there. That plus means that it is the target collection. If you click on here, you'll see, so that means that wherever you go on your photos, and if you press B, so say I press B on this photo, it's going to add it to the quick collection or to the target collection. So if I went along, so you could do that, you could go through all of these and just sort through and say, okay, I'm going to look for all of the travel photos. And then once you've done that, you can go to quick collection. You could go Command A and then just select and drag to say the travel. And then that will add them to your travel collection. And then you just need to go back to quick collection and you can just go Command A and delete. And that deletes them from the quick collection. So the other way to add photos to different collections is, and this is one of the easier ways, go over to your collection and set as target collection. Now you'll notice that the little plus has gone to the landscape now, so that's the target collection. So whenever you go through your photos in your catalog and you press B, that will add it to the target or the landscape category. So if I go through my photos and select B to all the landscape photos, you'll see added to target collection landscape. And you'll see them all adding to your landscape collection. When you click on your landscape collection, you'll see them all in here. Another way to add photos to a collection is by selecting this little paint or the spray can here. Then you have all these options here. But if you select target collection and you spray, or you click on a photo, then it's going to just add it to target collection. So that's a pretty easy way to do it. So say I wanted to go to sports and I wanted to add all my sport photos to my sports collection. I'm going to set that as my target collection, and you'll now see that it has changed to sports. So now I just look through and see any sport photos and then just click on them, and then they're going to add to my sports collection. So those are a few different ways there that were simple and quick to add into your collection. Another way to add collections are using keywords. So I'm just going to add another collection called Turkey, and I'm going to go to the paint, the spray brush down here, click that, and I'm going to select keywords. Now you can see keywords are selected, and over here on the right I'm going to get rid of Uzbekistan and type in Turkey. Now I have Turkey as the keyword, and I'm just going to spray all the ones that are to do with Turkey. Now they have a keyword, and if you look on the right here, they have Turkey as a keyword. Then what I can do is up the top here, I can click text, and then I can search for Turkey. Then you could go Command A, select all, and then click and drag to Turkey, and now they're all in the Turkey collection. So that's the end of that video. Just a few different ways you can add and remove collections.